Assalamu alaikum class 2. How are you today? I hope you're fine. You are, that's good. So today we have some grammar. So I would like you to open your books at page 25. Good. And 26. Got them open? Good. Right. And what do? We look at the board. Now, if you can see, we have regular and irregular plurals. Can you see the singular? All the words written down. 5 here and 5 over there. Now, the first one, boy. One boy. One boy is sitting in a chair. Many, well done, boys are sitting in the chair. Good. This week I went shopping. What would be the plural? Good. Many weeks ago. Excellent. Book. Third one. Book. I love to read this book. I have read this book. I enjoy reading books. Well done. Glass. Who broke the glass? किसने ग्लास तोड़ा? Glass. Yes. Glasses are broken accidentally. गलती से टूट जाते हैं ना? Yes. Okay, good. So, box. Last one. Box. This box has many things inside. Very good. I have many boxes. Good. So, next one. Dish. My favorite dish is biryani. Yes, carry on. Well done. There are many dishes which children enjoy, such as, very good, pizza, KFC, yes, so many different dishes. Okay. One tiger. I saw a tiger in the zoo. Very good. Tigers live in the jungle. Excellent. Tigers live in the jungle. Bush. Good. Very good. Excellent. Yesterday I trimmed the rose bushes. Good. One cat. Yes, very good. My cats are very playful. Brilliant. Day. Today we're doing grammar. For the past few days we have been enjoying our lesson. Very good. Now, look at the board again now. On page 26. Right, we have a word bank. Can you see? Children, babies, mice, geese, women, leaves. Okay, good. So, one baby. Babies, very good. Next one. Mouse and Mice. Excellent. Goose. Geese. Excellent. Woman. Women. Very good. Child. Children. Foot. Feet. Well done. Knife. Knives. Very good. Leaf. Leaves. Fish. Fish. This is a tricky one. People sometimes say, I saw many fishes in the sea. Fish is always same. Okay? Good. Sheep. Very good. Excellent. Sheeps. Inshallah, we will be slaughtering 3 sheeps for Eid. Well done. Tooth. Teeth. Excellent. Ox. Oxen. Man. Men. Very good. Wife. Wives. Person. People. Very good. Now, boys and girls, what you have to do as your self-task, look at the video again to help you. And then what you need to do is write these in your copies as neatly as you can. And then send a screenshot to your teacher. Okay? Allah Hafiz.